Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have about $506 that I'm going to be stuffing today, so let's go ahead and count this. Also, hello, my name is Sarah. I'm 39 years old. I currently work in accounting. I'm from Florida, and I've been cash stuffing for almost 9 months now. Alright, let's get counting. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 506. So really good news, in the emergency fund, my goal was to get to $1,000. And I was able to do that. So in the bank is $1,000, and then I had an extra 20 that was there. So I'm not contributing anything to this account right now because I have considered, like in my head, it's been capped. So I'm going to put my priority towards other accounts now and leave this one for a couple months so that I can work on other things. So I thought that was pretty exciting. In the food account today, we are contributing 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 2. And so together, we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 20, 40, and 60. So $360 in the food envelope, plus a bunch of little coins. My husband and I are about to go on a little trip, so I have been kind of building up the food envelope so that I can use this while we're gone. In the savings account, we have $60 that we're contributing today, so 20, 40, and 60. And again, remember, my savings account is for 1 month ahead of expenses. That's what I'm aiming for. 20, 40, 60. Oops, let's fix this. Get that a little out of the way there. 20, 40, 60, 80, and 1, and 5. So 105 is now in 1 month ahead savings. In the car fund, we are adding $60 today. So 20, 40, and 60. And there's 40 in there. So we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, and $100 in the car fund. Date nights and the next one as well, dining out. I'm not putting any contributions in these two categories for this week, but the personal account is going to get a 20, and there's 5 in there from last week, so 25 is the total in that account. The gift account is going to get 20. When we're on our little trip, we are most likely going to be doing some shopping, so it's nice to have this money set aside in advance to be ready for that. My business tax envelope is going to get 140 this week. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, and 40. And currently, in business taxes, now that we've added that additional amount, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 55, and 60. So $260 in that envelope now. Blessings is going to get $2 this week. All right. right, and the rest will be for sinking funds, which is $1, $2, $3, and $4. I'm sorry, savings challenges. And we have $4 to put towards the savings challenges for this week. And that is all for my sinking funds. Thank you so much for joining me this week. I hope everybody's doing really good, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.